Hey guys from YouTube, it's going. Today I'm going to show you a Blu-ray what I've got. It's actually just been released this week. It's called Twin Dragons. I actually finally got it and I got the DVD of it, but this is actually a limited edition of Twin Dragons. It comes with the booklet. It comes with with everything, posters. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. Oh, so it's unwrapped. So this is actually the cover. I don't want to rip it off. So this is the cover because I got another one like that, and the whole thing ripped. It was short circuit. So here's the Blu-ray. Here's the Blu-ray. Sorry about the light, guys. So there's the Blu-ray. Hasn't got the it has got the A's on the back, but not on the front. So here's the disc. It's got some little posters in the inside. Here's the disc. It's got a picture of the twins. Both of them are like Jackie Chan. I actually really can't wait to watch it. And here's the another side of the So it comes with this. I think this is a poster, and there's like a book with it. Yeah, it's got like it tells you everything in here. Yeah, it's got sorry, sorry for yawning. It's got everything in the book about the film. Yeah. So if anyone wants me to do a review about this, just let me know. I will do a little review on it. Also, it's got Chinese writing on the bottom because Jackie Chan's Chinese. So yeah, this is actually very good. I really can't wait to watch this because I never ever seen the film. I haven't got the DVD and not even watched it. So I really can't wait to watch it. So yeah, before I go, I'm gonna tell you what the running time on here is. It says 1 hour and 4 minutes, and it is actually a 1992 film. 1992. That's actually good. And yeah, so if anyone's got any questions about this Jackie Chan film Twin Dragons, just leave me a comment below, and I will get back to you. So yeah, so bye guys.